Good evening, good evening, good evening. As you guys know, I'm not a financial advisor. This one is a hot one. It's a hot one. I wasn't even going to make another video of it, but I think that everybody needs to understand the dynamics, along with the possibilities. Okay, ignore this. This is a different energy play. So, I'm just cruising around looking at different short squeeze plays, right? So, I'm on Google Trends, breakout, breakout. 250% up. Guys, this is huge. I mean, I'm sure that everybody in this play knows how, how big the potential is, as long as it's played properly. Okay, now right here, I mean, this is just old stuff. It's actually 3.7 billion barrels of recoverable hydrocarbons. I believe I thought I saw 3.2. Now, we're talking about a rising energy market. We're also talking about natural gas. Now, I know that we do not have 100% worth of the working interest. I'm well aware. Nobody has to, go ahead and, and belittle me or battle, the facts of the situation. But fact is, we're talking about billions of barrels of hydrocarbon. We're talking about millions of cubic feet of natural gas. We're talking about a rising energy market for both oil and nat gas. Okay. I mean, here's the last print from Torchlight that I was able to find. Okay, but this is the part that I want everybody to understand. So not only are we talking about a rising market, so like we don't even have to get into specifics, okay? Because everybody could have their own, their own guesstimate, we'll call it, okay? Um, However, this is the last print from Torchlight. Now this is how a short squeeze works, and I know that it might make me sound like I don't know, a d bag for assuming that people don't know. Okay, but the fact is that if people stood their ground and knew exactly what they had, okay, which I mean, I'm assuming that you guys do. I know that I do, right? They have to close their positions in order to go ahead and make it private. Now, if you guys have seen the satellite imaging, which I'm sure that you guys have, I'm sure that everybody's staying up to date on this squeeze. To my knowledge, I'm sure that you guys have seen the satellite imagery, right? It looks like they're pumping, right? Do you think that the public is really going to have up to date information on that? Probably not. Okay. I'll tell you what. I'm gonna go ahead and just stick my foot in the ground, and I'm not moving anything. You guys do as you guys please, but in the dynamics of a short squeeze, they need our positions. They need our positions. Okay, the longer we hold, the higher the price slides. Now, the largest holders have been heard saying that they were going to hold out till higher pricing, right? Well, when they see this thing start tumbling, do you think that they're going to want to get out? Probably not. I mean, that's me guessing, but I mean, the stock market is speculation. It is what it is, right? This play, rising real estate market, rising energy market, and the shorts are stuck. I mean, this is the definition of an infinity squeeze, but the problem is that there are so many people in it that people might go ahead and they might bail early, and I don't blame them if they do. It is what it is, you know what I mean? So I mean, I would like to go ahead and I'd like to be in this company for when it goes private. I really would. However, if it's life-changing money, I understand, you know, the you know, the sense of wanting to sell. I don't know. This is by far the biggest short squeeze that I've seen, especially trending. It's got almost infinite possibilities. And the thing is that, like, they have to close their positions in order to go private. Right? It's not like an AMC or a GME MOAS situation. You know, the price has been holding. It's been steadily rising. Please understand the dynamics of the short squeeze, please. And for your friends that have the stock, please make sure that they know the dynamics of a short squeeze, right? I mean, I'm not saying to go ahead and hold it forever, right? Do as you will, trade as you will, but if this is executed properly, this can be the biggest, you know, the biggest bang on Wall Street. That's all I got for you. Just remember, guys, rising energy market, rising real estate market. If we have 3.2 billion barrels of oil and we have, you know, a lot of nat gas, right? Think about it. You guys have a good one. My live starts at 8. I'm probably going to be doing DD all night, but please understand the dynamics of a short squeeze. That's all. That's all. And I know I probably sound terrible just, you know, reiterating that, but market plumbing is a big deal. It's a really, really big deal. And last time I got blasted because of the, you know, the oil price, right? I was ballparking, right? Not counting additional assets or costs or anything like that. I was just ballparking. I got blasted. I don't want to go ahead and I don't want to ballpark. What I want to do is I want to go ahead and just highlight the fact of the market plumbing situation and how screwed they can really, really be if we go ahead and, you know, we know what we have. That's all. But you guys have a good one, and hopefully I'll catch you at 8 o'clock. Later, fam.